Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss about Unit 2, Computer Memory, of Class 5. Content that we are going to cover in this class is page number 15, 16 and 17. Our topic is secondary memory. As we have already covered primary memory in our previous class, today we are going to discuss about secondary memory. Secondary memory is also called external memory. Secondary memory is used to store data permanently. Files and programs that are required to run computer are stored in secondary memory. There are different kinds of external storage devices that are used to store data. Different types of secondary memory are floppy disk, hard disk drives, CDs, that is compact disc, DVDs, and pen drives. Our first secondary storage device is hard disk drive. Hard disk drive has large storage capacity. All programs like Windows, logo, paints that are used by computer are stored in hard disk drive. Hard disk drive are kept in the CPU box. Hard disk consists of several disks that are called platters. Platters are coated on both the sides with special magnetic material. A special magnetic material is coated on this platter. Platter usually rotate at very high speed. It's driven by a special spindle motor. As you can see in this picture, a spindle motor that is pointed that rotate this platter so that it can move at very high speed. Each disk surface is able to store data. Each surface has its own read-write head. The hard disk drive is the main and usually largest data storage hardware device in a computer. Operating system, software titles, and most other files are stored in hard disk drive. Now our second storage device is floppy disk. A floppy disk composed of a disk of thin, flexible magnetic storage medium sealed in a rectangular plastic. Floppy disks are read and written by a floppy disk drive. Floppy disk can store a small amount of data as compared to hard disk. They are used to store files safely. Floppy disk can also be used to transfer and carry data from one computer system to another computer system. So dear students, let's move toward our third secondary storage device. As floppy disks are replaced by compact disks that are most commonly used nowadays, so we are going to discuss about compact disks. Compact disks are also called CD. A CD can store large amount of data. The data is stored on the disk. You can only read data from CD-ROM, but you can't write on it. With the help of the CD-ROM, you can hear song. You can also install a new program in your computer. CDs are generally two types. There are two main categories of CDs that we are going to discuss. One is called CD-R. The other one is called CD-RW. CD-R is compact disc recordable. Data can be written only once. So after this, data on the disk became permanent. You can't erase that data. You can't even write new information on it. So it's written only once. So CDR, as R show recordable, you can only write data once on this, while CDRW on the other hand is a rewritable disk. You can write data. Once you store data in it, you can also erase data, so you can use it later on. So that's the main difference between CDR and CDRW. In CDR, data is written permanently, you can't change data on this disk, while in CDRW, that is rewritable, you can rewrite data and you can store it, and even you can erase your data. Our fourth type of secondary storage device is digital versatile disk. A digital versatile disk is most commonly known as DVD. A DVD is similar to CD, that is compact disk, that we have discussed already, but it stores large amount of data as compared to CD. A full movie and high quality picture can easily be stored in DVDs. A DVD is made of several layers of plastic. Each layer of DVD has many tracks of data. With the help of DVD, you can easily carry data. As you can see, drive with DVD in your picture. That's how a DVD look like. The track circle always starts from center of the disk. So this DVD is also a storage device that is used to carry data safely. At the end we have pen drive. A pen drive is a small portable device. Why it's called portable? Because you can easily carry it, which can store large amount of data. You can easily store and transfer the data from one computer to another with the help of this pen drive. Pen drive are fast and more reliable than floppy disk. Pen drives are available in different designs with different memory capacity. Nowadays, these pen drives are most commonly used. Dear students, at the end, all you have to do is you have to solve the exercise that is given at the end of Unit 2, as our Unit 2 is complete. So you have to write down answer of all questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.